The day started out like any normal day. You've been on a bunch of rides with me before. Check in with the weather. Turn the GPS on. Find a good satellite radio station to play with. And hit the road. And the weather was really nice today. The only thing I was planning on doing was having fun. I was going to push it. I started out in mode 3. I said, well, I'm just going to floor it and push it in mode 3. But it wasn't long after that, and I'm switching into race mode just because I know I've got enough range for what I'm going to do today in any mode. So let's haul ass.
The time to hesitate is through. No time to wallow in the fight. Try now, we could only lose. And our love become a funeral pyre. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire.
Repeat.
Well, it wasn't long after hauling ass in race mode for 3 or 4 miles that I started smelling something that wasn't the normal burning smells that I'm associated with. Anybody else carrying fire extinguishers on their e-bikes?
She chased after her dreams with much desire. When she got too close to her expectation, well, she saw her dreams burn up just like a paper and fire. Paper and fire, sticking out the ashtray. Paper and fire, smoking out the alleyway. Used to say the way a man should spend his day, to let him slowly, just like a paper and fire. No involvement, so he chased the wind. That's all his silly life required.
I'm just doing my thing. You love it when I sing. Say it makes you feel like an angel. We about to get a little tangled up right about now. So girl, let's keep burning it down. Burning it down, burning it down. Girl, when you want it, you know that I'm on it. You know that I love loving up on you. Let's hit the switch and let our shadows dance, and light it up like it's our last chance. We're just hanging around, burning it down. Sipping on some cold Jack Daniels, jamming to some old Alabama with your baby laying right here, dreaming in my bed. I'm just doing my thing. You love it when I sing, say it makes you feel like an angel. We about to get a little tangled up right about now. So girl, let's keep burning it down, burning it down, burning it down, burning it down, burning it down. I wanna rock it all night, baby girl, will you rock it out with me? I wanna crawl.
Now I'm just trying to make my way home before things get worse, or I end up having to leave this on the side of the road or call a tow truck or an e-bike Uber. It's really puttering out, having a hard time making up the hill here. But even if I gotta walk, I could push it across the yard from here. This is the peak right here, and I had everything I could right here. I'm coasting, and I swear, I think I'm seeing sparks flying out of the motor back here. I know I was, but the good thing was I was really close to the house. Right here, I don't know what to think. I'm so frustrated. I'm thinking, oh, just bike customer support. I shouldn't have been bashing them as much as I have. And then I'm thinking, what is it I'm breathing? This is probably toxic because everything's from China. Everything's got lead and poisons in it. Honestly, at this point, I've given up, and I'm thinking, you know, I just got the battery in the Harley and got it started up for the spring, so who gives a shit about this bike? So now it's been about 10 miles, this thing's been smoking and smoldering for me to get home. And you know what? No one stopped me, no one honked, no one rolled down the window and tried to tell me to pull over because my bike was smoking. Thanks a lot, Park City. Well, that was kind of fun while it lasted. I did put a lot of work into it, all for it to go up in smoke. Well, leave me a comment if you know another e-bike that I would enjoy. That's it. I'm out of here. I got a lot of spare parts. See ya.